Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? You know what I mean? Man, I went to a couple of stores already. I recorded it, but they turned out to be fails. So yeah, if I sound a little bored, which you know what, I'm gonna make this one just like the first one. You know what I'm saying? Right away, look, mystery models. Looks like it's new. Shoot. A, of course. Most likely number 1 is missing, but I wonder if they took all the Datsuns. That's number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 8. Probably, but this one looks sealed. At least from the bottom. And it looks full, actually. Number 12. Oh, snaps. 11. So, yeah, these ones are new. These 2 boxes. For anybody that's here locally and are looking for the Datsuns, this is 35th and Bethany. But I noticed, look here, man. I got them already. So, also, if you guys are looking for these, 35th and Bethany. For those of you that are locally, and look here, man, they got new sets. Well, not new, they are fairly old. I know there's a chase for this one, but I have not seen it, only in pictures. But yeah, man, other than that, nothing else. They still got the same old. I'm looking for this Larry Wood. Somebody was saying on the comments, Larry Wood set, which is like designs, or I don't know. I haven't seen the set completely. I just glanced at a video and that was about it. But yeah, man, I don't see any M2s or Johnny Lightning or any other new stuff. Well, let's see Matchbox. Oh, this is a nice one. Chevy Colorado. Oh, what the heck? This one is cool. Ford F550 Super Duty. This one is nice. I hadn't seen that one. What is this? Matchbox Cho Wagon. This is like a Sriracha. Pretty cool, huh? Skipping it. Oops. There's a Hummer. Yeah, it looks like old stuff. Oh, this Nissan is nice. Damn, look at that card. Pretty nice, huh? Yeah. Damn, look at those tampons on the front and the back. Oh, damn. I'm gonna take this. Oh, what the heck? Look at these guys. Damn, 63 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Open, abierto. Oh shit, oh snaps. Oh snaps, moving parts. Damn, that one is nice. I wonder if there's more now. Camel Convoy. I haven't seen this one. Sure, let me put my stash over here on the side real quick. Oh snaps, armored truck, Super Duty, Extreme Colorado. What the heck is this? 16 Chevy Colorado Extreme. Yeah, very nice card as well. But we'll see. Oh, damn. The Crown Victoria. This is the 5-0 card, you know what I'm saying? Moving parts. Nice. Oh, what the heck? Look at this Jaguar, man. This is not from the moving parts, but this thing is neat. Yeah, definitely gonna take that one. Oh, what the heck is this? This thing looks like an exotic. Yeah, look at that card. Damn, that's crispy clean. 72 Lotus Europa Special. Shoot, man. Look at the interior. Very nice, man. This is a right-hand drive. Very sweet. Another oh, snaps. 82 Datsun 280 ZX. Look at that, man. Yeah. This thing is sweet. I mean, it doesn't have tampons on the back. But look at the top. Let's see at the top. Very nice, huh? And the card. Shoot. This thing is clean too, man. Let me see. There's a second C10. I'll second thought about that, you know what I'm saying? I want to take all the goodies. Look at this. 62 Jeep Willys wagon. Moving parts. Yeah, this thing is nice as well. Let's see what else. A second 82 Datsun. I think that's about it. But wait, look here. There's more. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. The 02 RS6 Avant Audi. Oh, I like the paint job, definitely. And look at the tampos, man. This thing is a very detail. You got the fog lights, you got the grill, you got the headlights, the license plate. Yeah. And on the back, look at that. It's just about the same. Oh man, this is very nice. What else we got? Tesla Model X. And the same thing, man. Look at those details on the front. I'm guessing the same is on the back. Yeah, very nice. Very nice casting. Oh, let's see what else. Oh, what is this right here? A Camaro? I'm not a big fan, but I do like this paint job. I don't know why they kept the engine the same color. Oh man, that's a that's not cool right there, you know. But yeah, these things are detailed for sure. But I don't know why would they put the engine as blue. Oh man, I'm not too sure about this one. And another RX-6. Look, see here. We got this one. Oh, look at here, man. This is a Mercedes-Benz. This is old school, man. Wagon. This thing is clean too. Look at that detail. Very nice. Yeah. Damn. Let's take a step back and take a look at the overall picture. I think that's about it for Matchbox. I wonder if there was more in this box. Well, let me see what all I'm taking. Shoot, let me start with this ones right here. So it's gonna be the 72 Lotus Europa Especial or Special. 56 Jaguar. Very nice, man. This Audi in blue. I think I had seen it in red, but blue looks nice. Mercedes wagon. This Rescue Super Duty F550. Camel Convoy. Yeah, this thing is sweet. A Titan. Yeah, this thing is very detailed. Super nice. The Crown Victoria. The 5.0. These two are repeats. I don't know about this one, man. Honestly, I like the paint job, but that's about it. Honestly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goodies right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Other than that, I don't see much over here. Just just the stuff that we had already seen. Look at this Supra. Very cool. Some more Jada. Look at this Nissan, man. I don't really like those wheels. They could have done a better job. But yeah, and then there's another Skyline. But yeah, that's it for now, I guess. No, I don't see new M2s or stuff like that. And look here, man. This is what I was telling you guys in one of my previous videos. They have these scavenger hunt. I don't know if this is what will be a treasure hunt or something for Disney. This one is also like a shiny paint job versus these ones that are like plain. But I don't like those. I'm not into those, so just wanted to make a note or explain myself like I was saying on one of my previous videos. But yeah, man, that's about it. That's all there is, really. Look, they even have a Batmobile now. That's crazy. The Ghostbusters. And this is the Walmart where we picked up those 2 trucks. Or, I mean, we were undecisive whether to pick both trucks, and we ended up picking just one. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys get to see these moving parts. And shoot, man, I'm tempted to take 2 of these, but we'll see how much they are, and then according to that, I'll see if I'll get them sometime later on. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Well, actually, before I leave, I want to give some shoutouts. Shoutouts to Oliver Wheels of World. Shout out to Toon Tracks Racing. Shout out to Big Dap Pacino. Go ahead and check out his channel too. That's a BIGDAP Pacino, PACINO. Snakes Dicecast 2. Yeah, a friend of Roberta's. Who else, man? Well, That's the ones I remember from the top of my head. Everyone here locally, I know you guys stay tuned as well. Fortsman 84, and will be endless list. But anyways, thank you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya. Yeah, so I just got home, and look here. I just want to give you guys a better look. Look at those T-tops, man. Really nice. Yeah, this is the Tesla. But the one, this is the best one out of the 5 of them, in my opinion, man. Look at this thing. Yeah. With the beige interior. And that truck. Yeah. But this one is the one I was like, damn, look at those wheels. When I was paying, they already look like rubber tires. That's just how much detail there is in them, you know. Very nice, this one. Sweet casting for sure. Very, very detailed. But yeah, that's one thing that catch my eye from that casting. And boy, this one's your guys already seen. But just wanted to mention the wheels on this one. They look sick. 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 But yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know. Yeah.